Good morning, students. Let's start the query session. And before everything we start, we have an announcement for you. I discussed various things about the management. Okay, so finally we got the achievement that I give you one mobile number. There is a concerned person named Raki ma'am. She will shout out every query regarding anything. Okay, so if you don't have a login like that, if you don't have a notes, if the thing is not uploaded, you can note down, you can take a screenshot, and you can contact on this one number. All right, you just take the screenshot of this. Better you take from its chat section. You can note down. Okay, now one by one you can ask me query. Yes, before it's your turn.
यस सर सर माय क्वेश्चन इज सर फंक्शन में जैसे कंडीशंस वाले क्वेश्चन तो इजीली बन जा रहे हैं
ठीक है बेटा।
लेकिन वो लेकिन वेरिएबल लेने वाला जैसे एडिशन ऑफ टू नंबर और थ्री नंबर सर तो मुझे इसमें डाउट था कि जो वेरिएबल जैसे ए का वैल्यू बी का वैल्यू सी का वैल्यू
हम्म,
वो उसी टाइम ले लेना है कि उसको जब हम लोग प्रिंट करेंगे तब उसको
सुनो।
लेना है
अब कोडिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स क्या कहते हैं? कोडिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स से कहते हैं फंक्शन के अंदर आपको इनपुट नहीं लेना है, आपको पैरामीटर पास करना है. Why we create the
हाँ
parameterized function? That's why, because we can pass parameter directly inside the function. We do logic
ओके
and we return. कुछ प्रिंट भी नहीं करना है, मतलब हमें बस इनपुट देना है और रिटर्न करना है. ये एक टेक्निकल थिंग है. इसके बाद जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो अपनी सुविधा के लिए कर रहे हैं, हम सिखाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि अगर मैं
अच्छा
डायरेक्टली आपको रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट बता दूंगा, पैरामीटराइज्ड फंक्शन बता दूंगा, आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस कि अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूँ कि आप ऐसे फंक्शन बनाओ, इसमें इनपुट भी ले सकते हो, सो दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दैट फंक्शन वर्क लाइक दिस. बट we have to work according to coding norms, coding standard. If you already read the software engineering, so there is some chapter coding standard like that. So हमें वो coding standard follow करने हैं. We have to follow that coding standard which are our industrial norms. So function always abide to take input.
सर तो
You
एडिशन ऑफ नंबर्स या फिर एडिशन ऑफ थ्री नंबर्स में पहले हम लोग ए बी सी को रिटर्न करेंगे उसके बाद फिर
नहीं नहीं
उसके फंक्शन
नहीं नहीं
बनाएंगे
एबीसी रिटर्न नहीं करेंगे. आप पहले फंक्शन बनाएंगे, उसमें एबीसी 3 पैरामीटर लेंगे, या एक्स वाई जेड जो भी पैरामीटर लेंगे.
हाँ
फंक्शन के
ओके
अंदर आप सम करेंगे, सम को रिटर्न कराएंगे. ठीक है. अब जहां से फंक्शन की कॉल होगी वहां पे 3 वैल्यू पास होंगी, और जो वैल्यू वो रिटर्न करेगा वो एक वेरिएबल में स्टोर हो जाएगी. दीज आर द कोडिंग नॉर्म्स रिगार्डिंग फंक्शन.
ओके 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 सर
ठीक है ना.
ओके थैंक यू
नेक्स्ट वन. यस साबिचा जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, sir. How are you,
Okay,
sir?
I am very fine. I'm just waiting for you in this session.
Okay.
You late by 2 minutes only. Okay, no problem. Yes, Shweta. Any query? Sabitachi, you have any query?
No, sir. I have one query with the leap year. I just need to ask you in that solution you
Uh,
gave us.
Deep period divide by 4. I mean, year divide by 4. So,
No, actually, there are two logic. There is divide by 4, also divided by 400, and but not divided by 100. So this logic I need to be clear. I'll
okay,
ask you when this comes, sir.
okay, okay.
I'll
Thank
wait.
you, thank you, thank you. Shweta, your turn. You can ask me any question regarding what we taught in last week. Shweta, are you there? I give you a helpline number. Any one of you, the newcomers, can note this number. It's a Raki ma'am number. She is concerned authority to sort out any problem regarding this. Okay, let's take if any class is bouncing, I mean canceling without, I mean just for 1 hour ago, so she must be communicate your message. So save this number. First of all, save this number. Okay, better you take first WhatsApp initiative than call, because if she attend the call entire day, so that is not possible. So better you take the initiative on the WhatsApp. Save this number, Raki ma'am. Okay, and then you call. Okay, any more question you can ask me, otherwise we have
बट
lots. Yeah.
आई हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन
Yeah,
बिफोर दिस राइट
yeah, before.
Yeah, sir, in operator you gave one question, right? Write a program to determine whether the character enter vowel or not.
Uh-huh.
So, sir, I'm trying to make this logic, but still I'm not getting it.
Uh,
So, can you
no,
explain the problem?
no, no. The character is vowel or not.
Yeah, character is vowel or not means this is the question. I
So
want to
very
make this
easy, very
logic.
easy. Little take a list, and on index of each list, I mean index of
So, should
list.
I apply means if condition or like if the character
Say
is
if and in operator, if and in both will be used. So I just check that any character given by the user is vowels or not. So kindly make a list which contain all five vowels a e i o u, right?
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah. Okay.
then what character you go with the in, if then in, if ch in which list, okay, it will, if it is in that list it will return true. So print.
Okay, okay. Here we use in character, like
Definitely
we
in operator just give you the
in operator. Okay.
rather than take going, I mean lots of logic is there, but simplest
Yeah,
and easiest in, without
yeah,
looking
yeah.
any for loop you can traverse and entire the list, all right. In and
Okay,
not
sir.
in.
I'll try.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'll try.
See the intelligent persons are Visaji, everything right over here. Okay. So this is
Okay,
another
okay.
approach.
Thank you.
This is another approach. Okay. Without list, you can do this thing.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so
okay.
much.
Thank you.
Yes, Ram. Yeah, Ram. Sure. Yes. Yes, please.
Yes, Abhishek. So I have a doubt regarding not yesterday's class and before yesterday's class.
I,
Can you just clarify me like something, right? So in machine learning algorithms, right, we have regression classification and
see. Not there. Not there. Till Python. Till Python.
Python and
See, I restrict myself to mix up the things first of all, because here the number of student is 40. If you are web mapping in one to one, so what happens, see, it's a bad impression that I'm teaching you those things which is approximate cover after 10 days. Okay. When there is topic of machine learning regression classification, I will teach you and I will give you 10 projects. Then you ask me what kind of scenarios there. Okay.
okay.
Because
So
want,
just to clarify me, like
so
what
you please wait, you please wait, you please wait, okay, you please wait. Okay. Then we do, please wait. Okay.
okay,
Yes, Shweta, any query is there? Whose query is clear, they can leave the meeting. Okay. Shweta, any queries there? Or just for your listening? Shubhanshu? Shubhanshu?
Yes, sir.
Any queries there?
Sir, the same thing in console I was asking, no, sir.
Yeah, I have one more. I have block for you. I have block. Actually, my window is updating and very irritating thing are there. I just open the and it keep updating. So got the two block for you. The how to run the Python calls. I mean this thing you can also done. Okay, step by step.
Actually,
It give you.
actually, I tried in the morning, sir.
Hmm.
But I mean, instead of importing, opening a file, I want to write the
Yeah.
code over there, and then
Yeah,
I
I
need to
know.
understand
I
what are the
know.
steps.
I know you don't want to show your code. You just import the file name .py and you want
Yes,
to output. That is
correct, sir.
same thing. It can you do over here. Okay. Two blocks, geeks for geeks. I've managed for you. Okay. That person write the code on console. Nothing is there. So you just compile the thing. Python. Same thing we have Java. Python file name.py. It will directly give you the output on console.
Okay,
Okay. I'm sharing you these two links. Okay. Geeks for
okay,
geeks. Better. Ganesh is here. Geeks for geeks. You can do over here. And second one is something on, I don't know, knowledge hut. Okay. So these two blocks are there. All right.
actually, sir, in the morning I created a small function.
Mm-hmm.
Adding two number.
Mm-hmm.
I tried running in the ideal also.
Mm-hmm.
It has run successfully. I just opened the file and I has debugged it also.
Mm-hmm.
And then later I was giving the function name, and it was giving me the sum actually. But I want to do, instead of clicking on file open all those things,
Mm-hmm.
I want to type the I mean the exact location of the file and give the commands. It should be like I want to learn command based rather than
Same thing over
how.
here. Same thing over here. You can see command base. Everything command line. Check this one. Command line. Everything is there. Okay. So you go there
This
and
one, this Python, what it is written, sir, like Python hello.py, like hello.py is your code where you have written,
yeah,
and
file name. It's a file name. It will compile the file name. All right.
acha, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
just like in Java, I told you in same day, the same way you compile the Java program by changing the your working directory cd like that, and then you compile without opening your code. You just get the output.
Okay, so writing Python will compile the program, sir.
Yeah, definitely, and you can do for this because my Windows updating from morning, so it's a returning condition. That's why I use the Ubuntu.
And sir, this slash is there, no backslash front slash.
Definitely. This is a path. This is a path.
Usually when we import the path,
Huh?
backslash if we have, I mean not front. These are front slash, right, sir?
Mhm.
I mean, we have to give double front slash to open the
Encoding,
particular function.
encoding. That is encoding in Python,
Okay.
in Java, in C sharp. But on command prompt, there is a single slash.
I tried with single only, sir. It did not have work. Then I gave double this one.
Mhm.
Then it has opened the file and I was able to think.
So
I mean, I was able to.
keep in your mindset that whenever you accessing a path with the help of programming code, you have to put the double slash. And whenever you keep getting the path either window explorer like command prompt like that, so you have to put a single slash.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next one please. I just sent it you, both of you, both a block, you can go with this.
Okay. Thank you. And sir, sometimes like if I am writing, I am generating the output, I'm generating the pivot table, and I'm trying to save it on some particular location.
Hmm.
It is giving me error like permission denied. Some, and then later somehow I corrected that also. Then it is giving me some byte error actually.
You got no, actually you are diverting from the flow. For this purpose we use the pandas. Read csv, write csv, these two function easily create the file. No permission, nothing. See, we have to work on very big thing like a anaconda, because without anaconda Jupyter you do nothing. I don't know why you are going to command from like that, because we have to work
No,
on the
we,
artificial intelligence ultimately. Okay,
sorry sir, once again.
I am saying we have to work on the artificial intelligence using machine learning. All right. So we have to use Jupyter.
And sir, big doubt. What I have. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. Like if I know Python, will people will accept me only to do statistical analysis, or they'll ask me such kind of other things also to do. I mean, I
See,
have seen wherever I have given the interviews into data science also,
mhm,
they'll ask something which is not into my scope. I come from a mechanical background,
mhm.
and they tell me such different thing which is not which I have not experienced into. Yes, statistical you ask me, mathematical you ask me, at least I can handle, I can explain you. But which is not into our scope, they'll ask all. They'll ask even those things in Python.
Just
And
example,
correct me,
just
sir,
for
I need to
example,
know all those things also.
example. What they ask you?
They'll ask related to bytes and all. I mean,
Yeah, you have to read. This is a computer fundamental. What is bytes, bits like that? What is storage capacity? How to it does it generate? What is ampersand operator? I mean, this is a basic for computer science. I
I mean,
think
what I gave the example, so that is nothing actually. Apart from that, also they'll ask something different, which I'll not be knowing actually. I don't
actually
know
this
which
is
level
not
I have to learn.
concerned with data science, frankly speaking. But the interview and the viva have a no limit. If they don't want to hire you, they will ask this type of question. If they don't want to hire you, and if we want to hire you, so they check your data science skills only, and they just hire and give you project, nothing else.
And sir, the question what I was asking you that day, I mean, I thought of like I thought I'll explain you what was my main intention with like writing that code. I had one plan of where I'll write the Python script where I'm importing a text file, converting into Excel, and that Excel I will generate the pivot table of the data what I have,
Mhm.
and whatever I am generating it, that data automatically I will save it in the Excel format in my file folder location, so that later on I can go to that and I'll have the Excel file, I'll open it, I can see the pivot table inside my Excel also. So
Okay.
that was my intention. It is
Okay.
a little bit towards automation, Python automation kind of thing.
Mhm.
So I had where I'll import the file automatically. It will convert to from text file to Excel, and from Excel it will generate the pivot table. It will automatically save to your file folder location,
Mhm.
and later on I don't need to do anything separately. Select particular column and generate the Python table again and again every day.
Mhm.
So that was my main target of doing the
So
program.
go ahead and take your target, take your task. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you think, if you get the confirmation, so no one will stop you. Okay. But learn the thing which is concerned with data science. Okay, because field is very wide.
Okay.
We see any topic, anything have no boundary. What I'm teaching here, if you found the content on overnet, so many things are there. Okay, but it is not possible to cover things which on already internet. But I can give you the foundation on which you can build your blocks over there.
But is it necessary to have a good knowledge on oops also, sir, with
No,
respect to data
no,
science?
no, 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 no.
I'm
Uh,
just asking because I heard like people said we should have some basic knowledge on
Actually, these required from the computer science background. If you are mechanical, you can explain that I am not from computer science background, so I don't have knowledge of object-oriented programming like C++, Java, like that. Even data science, also Python also not covering the object-oriented syllabus. All right.
Okay, okay. No,
Thank you.
no, I'm not concerned with the current course actually, sir.
Mhm.
I mean, just asking in general if people will demand for the basic knowledge of oops also.
See, I told you there is no depth, no boundaries. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Sabyasachi, any question?
Thank you, thank you.
Mr. Ganesh, any question?
Uh, yes, sir. In this question, particular question, what you have given to us in
Mhm.
that string homework. So when I try to do this, sir, can you please tell me when we extract one particular indices from a given string, and if we put something like character or something like at the date over here, so it will be like this particular character will change in the whole string. I mean to say, like wherever this character lie in that not in that position, particular position. Sir,
Mhm.
can I show you, sir?
Yeah, sure, sure. You can
Yeah,
welcome. You can show your screen.
yes, sir. Just a second. Just a
No problem. Take your time.
second. Yes, sir. So I did this. So
Present your screen. Present your screen. Present your screen. Actually,
oh,
I have to present your
oh,
screen.
sorry,
Please,
sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
please,
Sorry,
I
sorry.
have to present your screen. Yes. Now you can
No,
go.
no, sir. You don't need to. Don't need to. I'll share the code, sir. Sir, here in that string
Mm-hmm.
70, can you see that in the chat box?
Yeah, definitely. Let me
Yeah, yeah.
share my screen. Okay. Actually, I thought that you are going to screen. Share your screen. That's why I stopped. Okay. Wait, wait.
Yes, sir. So I did it. I'm little confused, sir. Just one question. When you extract,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So when you extract this like string 7 in the zero indices, that
Mm-hmm.
particular
This
character,
is
when you
one
extract,
character. This is one character. Huh?
okay, so this character will be changed. Like I am telling you my name, Sabuia Sabyasachi. So there is two S in my name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if I put in that extract character, if I put replace with at the date, so it will change wherever S lie in my name. It will change everywhere.
So actually, first of all, you have to convert your string to list first. Listen me,
Okay. Okay.
because string is a immutable. The first thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Then the function is replace will work over there. I think string has not function replace. It have
Y- Yeah, sir. There is a function replace
string.
equals
String is immutable, dear. String is immutable. So
no,
immutable means you don't change the thing once you assign.
but that replace function in that
Where
string.
you search this? I thought that replace function taught you in list, not string. That's why
Uh,
it is giving you error or do nothing. If you want to change the place, anything you do, just like a string and tuples, it will let you give you the error. So first,
oh,
using a list function, I show you how to convert list into string into list. So every index
oh,
will be separate out with the comma and single quotes. Then you fire the
oh,
replace function. It will do all the occurrences.
okay, okay, okay.
And
No, sir.
then again, after list, you convert to str. Pass in str, it will return you the string.
Okay, 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 okay. But I got this answer, sir.
Which answer?
It's
How it is
that
possible? Because string is immutable.
according no, I add this, sir. Like
You return the extract character, but and appending.
according to
Oh,
the question, except the first character itself, it will change. So I add this character and in that string 7, which I replace by that
so you give what is your input? What is your input?
Sabyasachi.
Okay. So you okay. So what? See what you're doing. You just doing. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I
You
replaced
actually,
everything.
okay. You replace entire the string. Okay, you replace entire the string. See, entire string is replaceable, but single character of a string is not replaceable. not modifiable, not updatable. You can update entire string. So what you do, you replace and override an entire, not index. The thing over here, you not replace with the index, you replace entire string, and
Entire.
then
Yeah,
and
yeah,
and then you do the concatenation. I thought that
yeah.
you are replacing the one index. So one index is not possible to change in a string. For that, you have to convert this thing into list.
List. Okay, okay,
Vice versa. Then you again come over here in string.
okay, okay.
And then what you want, how many character you want to do to replace function, take also ask the occurrences. I demonstrated you this thing. Replace character, new, old, and occurrences.
Yeah,
Ask
yeah,
you.
occurrences. Yeah, there is a last step. Yeah,
Yeah, to
in the
try
starting.
this approach. Try this approach. Okay.
Okay, sir.
More functionality you have if you convert this thing into list.
Okay, sir.
I told you somewhere that list and string have a good combination. Lots of things in string cannot be possible, but you can do this thing after converting list.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Ram Rameshwaram, now your machine learning.
So, yes,
Yes, what
actually.
you have in the regression now, tell me.
So no, actually, so regression and clustering and classification, we have three concepts. Like
All
if we
right.
have a dependent variable, we'll be going for regression and classification. If we don't,
Hmm,
we'll be going for clustering, right?
perfect.
So, so in regression also, we'll be having some models like decision forest, random forest decision tree, regression, and all, right?
Mhm.
So, so we need to build a model which has a less dimensions, right? So
Repeat it. We have to build a model which have the,
which is a good model, like which is a good model, like
yeah, definitely. How you detect the good model? How you detect a good model? The model is good. What are the parameters?
so, correlation coefficient and all, by looking into the summary of the
Better
data.
better answer is you if you do R2 score, that is a better
Yes,
concern about
sure.
the
Yes,
regression model. If your regression model performing better, so you have a good R2 score, not correlation. Correlation just is a correlation between the feature, not about the model.
okay, yes. So, so to build a very good model, so we'll be having a so for every model we'll be having a like differentiation in the goodness of the model, right?
Hmm.
So we need to do all the models in the regression for a single data set. We need to do all the models
Hmm.
to build all the models to
Hmm.
get the good model,
Yeah,
right?
definitely. And check the R2 score and check the errors which have the minimum error and good R2 score. That is a perfect model for your data set.
So
And one
we'll
data
be
set, so one
yes,
data set show the different exhibition on different algorithm.
okay, okay.
Okay, you don't say that
So
if linear regression show this thing, so decision tree classic regression, so the same thing. No, it is not. Different behaviors. Right?
okay, okay, and one more thing, like Abhishek, like
Hmm.
so while coming to the real time projects, like
Hmm.
real time projects in data science, how they would be like will be taking the will be they will be the client will be providing the data set and we will
See,
be taking the
real time data set, nothing but the real time data. If you collect the real time data, so you have to
okay,
collect from chats, some surveys, collect that one. You got the real time project. What happened? Real time project, real time data set is not possible because the company paid for this. Okay,
okay,
that's why we take the data set from different kaggle, UCI, like that. The thing
oh
difference between real time and old time, the difference is that the collection. You know, the data collection also a paid process.
yes,
If you was if you want someone number, so who will give you the number? Who will give you the WhatsApp chat? Nothing. No one. Who will give you like and dislike? No one. So the company will pay these things for collecting a real time data set. Just like
okay,
just like you sign up a site, so they will ask you the Google credential, and then one
okay,
message pop
Google
up.
and all you are
Yeah,
saying, right?
one message pop. They will ask you Google Drive data. So that is because your interest is there, so that you are sharing your data. Otherwise, who can give you real time data? Okay, this is a difference.
Okay.
If you
So
can
like
get to should get and being a model, so that is your real time project. Any more question?
so like you're saying like from the GitHub. So generally while we practicing, we'll be taking the data set from GitHub or any other like Coursera like so like that, right?
That is not they that was real time in one time, but now it is they are old.
Okay, okay.
Okay, whenever they collected, that was time in the real time, but now not real time. You have to collect the real time data. Just like if you go, if you're creating, just I'm working on crop production project for government of India. So I have 3 years before data. No data is collecting, and if you want to get a government data, there is site launched by the Modi ji, data.gov.in. Data.gov, you find the matter. I mean, every kind of data, crop data, rainfall data, government statics with the government statics. So go there, but again, that is not real time because 3 years old is not considered as real time.
Okay, okay. The data sets would be of the older ones only, not the
Hmm,
real ones, right?
not a
You
clear
are
one.
saying?
You collect right now, then it is real time.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
I
Okay.
got it. So
Thank you.
yeah, that's it.
Any more question? Any more questions so that we can finish because it's a very tight schedule on Sunday.
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain me what Sabyasachi has written this code? No, sir.
Yeah.
She has
Please,
explained it
please,
well.
you coordinate. You coordinate with Savisachi because I explain everything to Savisachi. Okay. Later on, you can come. You can take email ID and coordinate to them. All right. Sachin Chauhan. Sachin Chauhan. Sachin Chauhan. Any
Yes, sir.
question? Any question?
No, sir. I
Shweta. Miss Shweta, is there any question? Shweta, any question? I think she's only connected with me. So okay, thank you so much, guys. Finishing the session. Thank you
Hello,
so. Yeah.
hello, hi sir,
Yes, before.
before this sir, I want to ask one question sir. आप एक सेक्शन में मशीन लर्निंग और डेटा एनालिसिस भी कॉन्सेप्ट कवर करोगे राइट?
जैसा जैसा आपको एलएमएस पे दिया गया है हम वही कवर करेंगे, उसी सीक्वेंस से कवर करेंगे। अभी पाइथन इसलिए उठाई है क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे न्यू हैं। अगर डेटा
ओके
एनालिटिक्स
ओके
डेटा पे उठाए
सर,
तो कुछ कर
और
सब
एक
गड़बड़
चीज़
रहेगा।
मैं पूछना
हाँ।
चाहता हूँ सर, मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बैकग्राउंड का हूँ, तो अगर मैं डेटा साइंटिस्ट का मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट पूरा अच्छा से कर लेता हूँ तो इंटरव्यूज में मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मतलब मिले क्यों? ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि तुम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ब्रांच के हो
अब
तो
अब
ऐसा?
ये कह नहीं सकते, ये तो जॉब डिस्कशन में डिपेंड करता है कि कंपनी कौन से बीटेक
ओके
मांगेगा,
ओके
है ना। सो वी आई
ओके
कांट
सर,
से
वो
अबाउट
तो
दिस।
मैं स्पेशली पूछ रहा था सर।
ऐसा कुछ पता नहीं। आप कीप मॉनिटरिंग। दे आर आस्किंग ओनली बीटेक, सो दैट इज वैलिड टू डू। दे आर आस्किंग फॉर मैकेनिकल ईसी एंड ईसी एंड सीएसई तो बहुत मांगे जाते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और सीएसई। बाकी बेटा मुझे पता नहीं क्योंकि मैं बीटेक को पढ़ाता हूँ, बीटेक फाइनल को पढ़ाता हूँ, यूनिवर्सिटी में
ओके
प्रोफेसर हूँ,
ओके
तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे सीएसई पता है, तो नहीं पता बेटा, ठीक है ना।
ओके ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम
थैंक
सर,
यू
नो
सो मच,
प्रॉब्लम।
हैव ए नाइस डे ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक यू सो
Sir,
मच।
sir,
यस
sir,
यस यस यस।
one more last doubt. So if we have take a example of BFS domain, banking and finance domain, there will be a generating of data
या
every day, right?
यस यस यस। सो
So
यू गो
how
टू
that will be they will be collecting the data like
Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance. If you want to see, can you see my screen?
yes, yes, I'm able
Okay,
to
so
see your screen.
Yahoo Finance, that is a real time. Yahoo Finance. And if you want
Yeah,
to Yahoo Finance, go to stock market. Any word, any data, every finance over here. That's a good thing. I mean, you got Nifty, let's say US dollar. So connect to them and go to historical one. Hey, you got the trend over here. Somewhere historical data is there. In historical data, you got download 5 year, 10 year, etc. etc. Mm, okay, so it's a daily. Somewhere is option.
older data only, right?
Yeah,
You are saying.
older. Current plus older. So that is real time. From current to previous, that is a real time. How much you take previous, that is up to you. So it is time period. 1 day, 5 day, 3 months, 6 months. YTD, I don't know. 1 year, 5 year maximum. And otherwise you take the range over here. This will give you download the CSV file. It is by default the 1 year, 20 to
Oh,
21. It will download CSV file. Okay, you can download. Open and make a model. Just it.
Yahoo.finance, right? You are saying.
Yeah, Yahoo Finance. You search Yahoo Finance. Okay, Yahoo Finance. The logo is there.
Okay, okay. So the company is also using the same site. Like
Definitely, definitely. Very good and popular site and real time.
okay, so
Today's data,
all over the world you are
yeah,
saying this.
open, close, or some trends over there. Today's data included tomorrow. Okay. जो आज का डेटा है वो कल इंक्लूड हो जाएगा इसमें। थैंक यू सो मच डियर। ओके।
So, sir, last question.
हाँ साहब, सच बताओ।
Yes, sir. As we were concerned, like I am from mathematics and statistics background. As you said, like all those candidates they ask for like B Tech or
And
so.
see my, that is totally depend on JD, what the company require.
Okay,
Okay, so
okay,
see, data science don't bond any person that you have to put this kind of qualification, the first thing. That's why Python give you the flexibility to learn everything. If you compare Python with C program, C++, Java, so you find that other programming more complexity,
Yeah.
because they are bindly with a specific course of BTech, BC, or MCA. But Python is everywhere general purpose programming language.
No, actually, my statistical knowledge about this kind of thing, it's very clear to me because I did my mathematics and statistics and all those linear algebra and all.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
in Python, like I was doing it like last 1 year, so that's why I was asking.
See, now you don't go back. Now you look
Yeah.
forward. Okay, you have no option. You have to find
Oh,
job. Okay, so I told you that is depend upon JD, what job description of company. All right, what
okay.
opening up. That's it.
Thank you, friend.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Have a nice day. We are meeting on tomorrow at 8:15 sharp. All right. Thank you so much.